How to find security and login on Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your security and login on Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile up there. Scroll down and you're gonna find account setting. Click on it, and now you're gonna find the second option, which is security. You can change your password and take other action to add more security to your account. Click on security and login and change whatever you want. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.